Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. My name is Zach, and that is my new Turo car, the 4th Turo car in the fleet. And on top of that, that is my wife's new Volvo. I bought these in the same day, and it was absolutely crazy. I am buying this. I hope he takes credit card. Service 4-wheel drive system. All right, so we bought the Volvo. She is freaking pumped about it. How do you feel? All right. Enjoy the ride home. It does have a nice stereo. Oh my God, we didn't test drive it. Dude, we're very silly. Over the last 6 months, I have been renting cars out on Turo as a way to make money on the side. I started with my 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, quickly expanded into my 2016 Chevy Sonic, and then another 2016 Chevy Sonic. And well, today we've got to go look at a 4th Turo car. And I think instead of expanding into another minivan or another cash car, I'm thinking of expanding into something that's going to make a little bit more sense. The Sonics have been running about 50% of the time, and they don't make a super killer daily rate. However, the van is almost always gone, and it makes a pretty good daily rate, but I can't charge very much for it. So we try something new. I'm using the Turo Stats extension, and this is not an ad, but it is a really good tool. You can see here that most vehicles go for a cheaper rate, but some of these are actually going for a higher rate in that $50 to $74 range. A lot of these cars are newer, but you can see with this, most of these cars are SUVs. Our options are going to be Ford Explorer, a Chevy Equinox, the Mercedes BMW stuff, which get a little complicated, or the crossover of all of those things, which is a Jeep. It's a platform shared with Mercedes and Chrysler, extremely refined, good off-road, and it looks pretty nice. So let's go check out this Jeep. We're gonna maximize our income, expand our Turo fleet, and have a new project today. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I need to fix the airbags on this. Ashley has the Lexus, so whatever. Oh my gosh. Oh, geez Louise. It is on the lower end of the price spectrum. We're gonna keep our standards just at kind of the minimum, right? No leaks, not any crazy like noises. They're supposed to be pretty reliable, so I'm not super worried. Oh, I think that's our boy right there. Boom, boom. Oh, this one actually looks right. 10,995. Rock chip. All right. Sorry, I thought.
And he said no cold start. You want to check it out?
I want to see the cold start.
You're smart.
Oh, you.
But I don't
There's
know
no way you'd treat me. There's no way you'd treat me nice if I was. Sweet. I like to see it. It's new-ish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no leaks there. Okay. So now I'm looking for just dents, door dings. Let's see. A little bit of road tar right there. Nothing on the corners either. I'm pretty sure this is a one-owner car. I didn't pay for the Carfax. Scratch right there. Scratch right there. But I did a Google search on the auto check, and it tried to sell me, you know, an inspection, which I didn't buy, but, oh dude, hell yeah. Rear heated seats and chargers. Rental dream. These Jeeps have what's called the Mopar 3.6 liter, or better known as the Pentastar V6. They have lifter issues sometimes, so we want to make sure this doesn't click or clack too long after startup. Oh, okay, that's about right for the miles. It's gonna need that in about 20,000 miles or so, maybe 30, but that's not bad at all. That'll go a couple of years. When you're looking at a used car, you want to consider what you're using it for. We're using this as a rental vehicle, which is a little bit different than just buying this as my own daily driver. You want a good history for either of those, but your impression of the vehicle, that impression of you walking up to it, sitting in it, things like that are going to be really important. check the heated seats, check the ventilated seats, remote start, all of that. You want to make sure that everything works. You want to make sure that it looks good. If anything jumps out at you, it's going to be a bad rental, but if you're just using it for your own personal reasons, you might be able to overlook some basic things like a scratch on the fender or something like that. Anyways, let's go ahead and test drive this bad girl, but I've got a good feeling. Okay, let's see. We do climate off. Oh, geez. We need AC in here. All right. Oh, yeah, let's do this thing. Pardon me while I'm excited about an awesome new car, but there is some logic behind what some might consider madness here. This car is ultimately supposed to be a rental, and one of the weak points in my rental fleet is that I only have economy cars and minivans. I want something that's got either all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. A lot of people travel to Utah to check out the arches, check out the snow, and to check out some of the hiking, climbing, and stunning scenic drives and geological wonders that Utah has to offer. You can use a Chevy Sonic to drive to those places. Some people like the space of an SUV, and some people just need all-wheel drive to get through Park City in the winter. And for the price, this Jeep checks all of the boxes. Let's check in and see how Zach's doing. Oh, man. All right, dude, I'm feeling this thing so hard right now. Dude, the new tires, one owner, black on black, leather. Oh, dude, I am about to be a victim, brother. Oh, brother. Tiny issue with the alignment. Cruise control set. Cruise set. Oh, and cruise control works. Hell yeah, buddy. All right. We are set, dude. I am buying this. I hope he takes credit card. Service four-wheel drive system. Okay, so I did some research, and it turns out that the most common reason for the service four-wheel drive system problem is a bad battery. So if the battery has a bad connection, the sensors misread, and then basically the computer thinks something's wrong when actually there isn't something wrong. So it also has a full tank of gas, which is so cool. I've never seen that at a dealership. Crazy. So cool. A question for you, just so we're on kind of the same page. What's like the out the door price on an 11,000?
11,000.
Yeah.
About 12,600.
12,600?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there any way you could do like 12 out the door?
We'll do it for you. Just
okay.
The way it sits. In the morning. I'm gonna put charge on it. He said yes way too fast. I should have offered less. Woohoo! That's my heap. This guy right here, your name was? Nasser. Alpine Auto Sales. He just sold me a car. I spent 30 minutes, and that entire 30 minutes was driving to the bank to get the check for this guy. Dude, this guy, absolute baller. You're amazing. Thanks so much. Sure.
Best dealership experience of my life. So I'm serious.
You have a good one.
I appreciate you.
Keep in touch. Don't be a stranger.
I will.
When you need next car, pick up the phone. I'll remember
Oh, I'm thinking of you, right? I'm thinking of you first, and you better think of him too. Thank you.
So much.
Felt my phone ringing when I was 22. Green Bay, Wisconsin, in the December blue. But it wasn't the cold weather when I froze from the news.
These are pictures of Ashley's Volvo 850 back in 2018. She had seen one recently and decided, I want one of those when I get a chance. Soon after, a car accident happened and she barely had enough money to get another car, but lo and behold, we found a Volvo 850 for just $400, needing nothing but an alternator. Later, she moved on, but she never forgot. If you're watching this video right now, what car was it for you that was just right?
die tomorrow, I hope you know the truth. I wasn't me till I had you. I wasn't me till I had you.
We were both so overwhelmed with joy of Ashley finally having her dream car.
Enjoy the ride home. It does have a nice stereo.
But then we realized
We didn't test drive it. Dude, we're retarded. Yo, if this thing doesn't go anywhere, I'm gonna lose my shit.
boing.
If you like stuff like this, you're gonna love stuff like this. Hit teamrocketgarage.com for yours. Okay, so Ashley's taking the camera here. You can go and scoot around under there and tell us what you find. Those always rust out. They were rusted out on that other Volvo.
This one, yeah.
That one's a little worse, but...
Yeah, but this whole unit is just kind of rusty. These, literally none of these are connected.
New shocks in the back.
This looks factory. Alright, so that has a kink in it.
The fuel line has a kink?
Just like the plastic part right here.
Oh, what
So
the
that
fuck?
could do some,
Oh yeah, that'll make
you
it
know,
run like
have
shit.
Oh, and then there's a
Cracks. Yo. Dude, this thing is so clean.
yeah.
Yo, legit, like, these, remember on the Sentra, I tried to unscrew those and they just broke. This amount of muffler is fucking stupid, though. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, dude, look at the fucking oil pan on the engine. It's perfectly dry.
Wow.
Yeah. Yo, we fucking got the right one. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Wow.
It's a little tie down.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's one right here too.
Okay, so we 100%, dude, these fuel lines are insane. Like, these are dangerous. Seriously, this on a rubber line, that's gonna rub through.
Yep.
This, I don't know what the fuck that is. Why even?
It says Volvo. Oh, skid.
I had to have something wrong with it.
Bottomed out there a little bit, but that's okay.
Not gonna pass emissions with an evap leak.
Oh yeah, that's just straight up one end, the other end. Some
These
sort
pieces
of leak up here.
Oh, that's right around the steering rack.
I feel like the steering is kind of heavy in this.
Oh, yeah, see all these steering lines right here and stuff? That's probably where it's coming from. Dude, 211, this car does not seem like that. Like, this car could be a 50,000 mile car.
You think
Minus
so?
that leak.
Yeah.
You know what's really cool? Look at these little plastic covers right here. That's
Oh,
European
wow.
stuff, yeah. Like, just
Yeah,
fucking...
it's on the other side too.
Dude, that's so cool. So, the transmission is right here, but because where the shock mounts, there's a little bumper between the transmission in case the transmission settles down or this bends up or something. That's so cool. Engineering. That's it for the Volvo. Ashley's been driving it. We fixed the air conditioning, it worked, then it didn't. So there's probably a leak in there somewhere. Stay tuned for more stuff on this Volvo. Ashley's telling me she wants a T5R replica, and T5Rs are incredibly hard to get, and I don't think any of them came as manuals. So she wants a manual, she wants a turbo, and we want that third row seat in there. Absolute freaking family hauler project car unit. And the Jeep, well, that's had some of its own things, but more on that later. Thanks so much for watching Team Rocket Garage, and I'll see ya in the next one.